Hey there, happy day 931 of What's Up to Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Up at the cabin, going home today, but wanted to quick make my video to let you know what I'm working on. And I'm thinking about being a blabber mouth because for the Get Up and Go challenge, today was day 16, and it's about the 6th or 7th day in a row that I've gone over my 10 minutes. Now today was only 10 minutes and 20 seconds, but I wanted to keep each of the videos during this 30-day challenge under 10 minutes. And I think I've had a couple that are 12, a couple that are 11, and I think it started out about 6 or 7 days ago with 2 that went like under 30 seconds, but still over the 10-minute limit. Now, is it a big deal to anyone else? Is it a big deal to anybody? No, but there's reasons I like to keep it under 10 minutes, and we can talk about those sometime. But I wanted to keep them under 10 minutes. So like for the last 6 days, they've been over. So I need to slow down my blabber mouth, plan a little bit more ahead of time what I really want to make sure the key points are that I get made in the video, and then share fewer stories or fewer details to make sure that the examples are solid and concrete, but that I'm not running over, because there are strategic reasons to keep things under 10 minutes. Number one, people are super busy even during COVID. Sometimes people are, and in many situations, people are even busier during COVID because not only are they working from home or trying to find work from home, but they've got their kids and everything else going on. So relationships and families and priorities and things have shifted and changed, and will continue to shift and change until we move into what our lives are going to be like going forward. But guess what? Change is always going to happen. We're always going to be looking for ways to move and change and grow and continuously improve in our lives. It's just that everybody is in mass going through flux and change simultaneously, which is not a bad thing, by the way. People think it's a bad thing, but it's actually really awesome. So Get Up and Go challenge, it's one of the reasons I want to get back to under 10 minutes. Now, could I edit out 20 seconds? Absolutely positively. Will I? Absolutely positively not. Why not? Because to edit out 20 seconds would probably take me over an hour, because it's not my strong suit. It's not one of my strengths. So I'm not going to do that. If I were to use these to make them evergreen and to use the content again, would I absolutely positively have someone else edit them? Yes, but I'm not going to for right now, because it's a live challenge and we're just getting through and learning the skill set that can help us address any change that ever comes our way. So Get Up and Go challenge. Day 16 today. We're already halfway through the 30-day free challenge. Fun challenge today was all about something you can't live without. Well, I had done that video without my morning coffee, and I realized I really can't live without my morning coffee, my morning cup of coffee to get me moving so that I can pop on and do my content creation and my videos in the morning. So what is something that you can't live without? What is something that you've told yourself or continue to tell yourself that you can't live without? Share that in the comments below, because now I'm really curious. And I can live without coffee. I didn't think I could live without pop, but 10 years ago, it's been 10 years now, over 10 years, because we're in the middle of August of 2010, I went cold turkey and gave up diet soda, because I was definitely a diet soda addict. Now, it should be noted that September 7th of that same year, just a month later, I did have a sudden cardiac arrest and died. So maybe there's some correlation between the Diet Coke, maybe not. But it's been 10 years now, and I don't miss Diet Coke. But if you had asked me in 2010, before August, if I could live without Diet Pop, I would have said absolutely positively not. I had to have my Diet Pop and coffee all day long to keep me going and keep me running. So what is something you can't live without? The fun challenge, that was the fun challenge. The idiom for today was on the double, speeding things up. How do you make sure, or how do you get people to do things on the double? How do you get yourself to speed up and do things quicker and faster than you're normally doing them? Or because you want to get a certain task done faster. I am always looking for ways to clean and organize faster, because that's something I don't want to do. I don't want to spend any extra time and energy cleaning. Why? I don't like cleaning stuff. It's not my thing. I love to cook. I love to cook. And I did finally learn when I was younger that if I cleaned up while I was cooking, I liked cooking a lot more than if I saved all the mess to the end. It only took a couple times of saving all the mess to the end and then dreading cleaning up that I formed the habit of cleaning as I went along, and that made cooking a lot more fun. Cooking and baking. I love to cook and bake. Don't mind any mess associated with that, but messes, just everyday cleaning and maintenance and messes, not my jam, not my thing. I always look for people to help me with those things. So that's what I'm working on today. Gonna enjoy the day at the cabin with the family, and then I'll hit the ground running again tomorrow. But sometimes we all need a break and some downtime. So that's what I'm taking, and I encourage you to do the same. If I can help you in any way, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Let you know what I'm working on, what's working, what's not. And I do have a few new cool things in the works. And over the last week or so, I've been tweaking and changing some of the directions, some of the things I'm going to focus on moving forward. All right, have an awesome day. Catch you tomorrow.